Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Friday, the 13th of March. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. Pretty good forecast on the way. We do have a rainstorm coming early next week, but the weekend, for the most part, is going to be relatively dry. Now, once again, today I'm sponsored by Clover. It's a local Boston restaurant chain based in Cambridge and all around Boston. I've actually eaten there quite a bit. I do love them. One of my favorite things is actually the pitas. They got their machine from, I believe, the Middle East, and they make really good pitas. They're delicious. So it's amazing food. They source their ingredients from New England farmers, so it's big, fresh flavors and seasonal. That's the other thing. And they also make these meal boxes. I actually just ordered my Passover box, so that will help augment my Passover Seder. My mom will bring her chicken. My sister will probably bring a kugel, but all the other stuff that comes in the Passover box will help out. And there's also a maple box. There's the Easter box. And even better, they're giving you $10 off if you use my promo code SPRINGDAVE, SPRINGDAVE, and then the number 10, so 10. That's SPRINGDAVE at checkout, and you can find them at www.iloveclover.com. All right, let's get back to the forecast. So today we'll see clouds rolling in. Temperatures will be mostly in the 40s, low to mid 40s. Then tonight, a couple of rain or snow showers back to the 30s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, mid to upper 40s. A fairly nice day, albeit a little bit breezy. That's the one sort of fly in the ointment there. Now, as we head for Sunday, clouding back up after morning sunshine, back into the 40s, and then that rain arrives on Monday, a windswept rain over an inch for many places. We'll get you the numbers here. Probably Monday morning, I'll have a little better idea for exactly how much we're going to end up with. But it does look quite wet for Monday and Monday night, and then that's out of here for Tuesday. And then it looks fairly seasonable to cool early next week. I don't see any big warm-ups in sight, and right now, no more snowstorms in sight. We're getting pretty close to the time where it just becomes less and less likely we're going to see any more snow. Obviously, I know April Fool's storm, the Passover storm, April 5th and 6th, 1982, Mother's Day, May 10th, 1977. Sure, those have all occurred, but the odds are that's not going to happen. Have a great weekend, everybody.